Welcome to the Modern Marketing course for leaders, designed for those who simply want to upskill or even change careers or become a leader within marketing. Now, there are a couple of reasons why I believe this course is increasingly important for the modern marketer. Currently, as you may know, in the world of marketing, there is a plethora, thousands if not hundreds of thousands of great tutorials and courses on how to perform marketing tasks. For instance, how to post a LinkedIn ad or create the perfect WordPress website or create a Google Analytics report or a landing page or a blog post or a webinar, right? You get the idea. However, it is a rare day when you come across a course that teaches you the why of marketing or when to perform certain marketing activities, and yet these are the very questions that a marketing leader must ask. It's not enough anymore for a leader to know how to perform basic or even advanced marketing activities, because for this you can easily hire an employee or an agency or a freelancer to take care of that. Rather, a marketing leader must know why you post a social or start paid advertising, when to focus on one marketing channel over another, or even when to focus on conversion rate optimization versus search engine optimization versus optimizing email campaigns. A leader must know the why and the when of marketing, not just the how. But the second reason why I believe this course is increasingly important is that in my experience, I have found a number of today's leaders in business either went to school or got their experience before the internet and digital marketing were even around. And many of these same leaders are now looking to rapidly upskill and progress their knowledge of modern marketing because, as they are quickly finding out, yesterday's techniques often don't work in today's digitally connected, digitally centered, highly competitive landscape. Which brings us here today. This course is separated into 6 different marketing sessions with well over 15 hours of lessons and interactive homework, each tackling a necessary and fundamental aspect of marketing that today's modern marketing leaders need to know. Now, I want to reiterate that the purpose for this course, my primary goal, is to see you succeed. And that's why I'm updating this course on a regular basis with the latest information, because I want to ensure that you have everything you need to be successful in today's competitive marketing and business world. So, without further ado, I will see you in the coming lessons.